Most Ohio taxpayers are used to seeing federal, state, and local taxes withheld from their pay stubs. These local withholdings are called municipal income taxes. Municipal corporations are typically cities, population of 5,000 or greater, or villages, population of less than 5,000, where Ohioans reside and work. Ohio also includes joint economic development districts and joint economic development zones in its definition of municipal corporations as well. There are over 900 municipal corporations spread out over Ohio's 88 counties. Each municipal corporation can elect whether to levy income taxes, and most do. Municipal tax rates range from 0.3% to 3%. Revenue generated from those taxes are applied directly toward improving the community, often paying for capital improvements like road maintenance and the creation of parks and green spaces. Ohio businesses that operate in a municipal corporation that levies an income tax are subject to a municipal net profit tax. Those businesses adjust their federal taxable income using the allowable additions and deductions to arrive at an adjusted federal taxable income. Their adjusted federal taxable income can be reduced further if they have a net operating loss to carry forward from a prior year. The amount remaining is called a net profit. They must then apportion or allocate that net profit to municipal corporations in which they do business. There is a three-factor apportionment formula that determines how the net profit is divided up between the municipal corporations. The formula looks at the percentage of property, sales, and payroll within each municipal corporation. Now, let's take a closer look at how the municipal net profit tax applies to an example business. Samara owns a chain of spas in Toledo and surrounding areas called the Mud Hens Bath and Body. She has 6 locations in Lucas County, spread out over 5 municipal corporations, 2 locations in the city of Toledo, 1 in the city of Maumee, 1 in the city of Oregon, 1 in the village of Ottawa Hills, and 1 in the village of Harborview. Each municipal corporation has its own municipal income tax rate, except Harborview, which does not levy a municipal income tax. Since Samara's business has payroll, property, or receipts in municipal corporations that levy a tax, she will need to file a municipal net profit tax return with each of those municipal corporations using the three-factor formula. As you can imagine, having to file multiple separate tax returns for each municipal corporation can be complex and costly for a business. So, in January 2018, the state came up with a solution to make life easier for Ohio business owners like Samara. Now she can opt in for centralized filing administered by the Ohio Department of Taxation, which means the Department of Taxation will process all returns and payments and distribute the money to the appropriate municipal corporations. Note that businesses that operate as a sole proprietor or single-member LLC are not eligible for centralized filing. Opting into centralized filing is free and easy. Samara must register through the Ohio Business Gateway at gateway.ohio.gov. Once she logs into the gateway, she will be able to register, make quarterly estimated payments, and file one annual return. She'll begin by clicking the registration button. Select New Account Registration. Enter her taxpayer identification information. Next, she will enter the primary address information. Then, she will complete information about the business structure and company contact information. Once all sections have a check mark, she can click Next. In the next section, Samara will select the municipal corporations in which she is required to file a municipal net profit tax return, and then click Next. A review page will appear so that Samara can confirm all her data is correct before submitting her registration. Finally, she can select Print View to print out the receipt page for her records. She can return to the Ohio Business Gateway to complete her declarations of estimated payments and annual tax filing when she's ready. Once registered, Samara will remain opted in until she cancels it. She can find further information about filing her municipal net profit tax at tax.ohio.gov under Resources for Businesses. Simply search for the tax under the Ohio Business Taxes section to find helpful instructions and important deadlines. Opting in for centralized filing frees up Samara's time to focus on what matters, her customers and her business. If you have questions about the Municipal Net Profit Tax, you can call 1-844-238-0403 or email mnptax@tax.ohio.gov. We're happy to help.